Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the inputs on your LG TV with and also without the remote control, because I'm presuming you're watching this because your remote control has probably broken. Now, if you do have your remote control, we have a little cable input button just here, and this is how you can switch between, for example, AV and HDMI inputs. So if I press that, you will see it will bring them up down here, and if I was to click on AV, it's going to work its way over to the AV. I haven't actually got anything connected to AV, but that's how you would do it there. But now, what happens if you haven't got the remote control? Well, did you know that there's a hidden little button just underneath here? Let me quickly show you that. Just here, there's a little button just here. And with that button, you can tap it and you can hold it and it will do different things. Let me show you. So if we tap it, it's going to bring up this menu here. And we have one that says inputs just here. So by tapping it repeatedly, you're scrolling through the different options. When you're on the option that you want, you just hold it down for a couple of seconds. So we're on inputs now. I'm going to hold it down for a couple of seconds and we're going to go to my PlayStation 4. So you can see now that it's got a little ring around it. That means we're in that setting. Press it, it's going to go to a different input. So that's that one there. Now let's go on again. Go to inputs again. Hold it down. And now let's tap it again. And it will scroll through to the next input. I'll keep going until I get to the PlayStation 4. Okay, so that's normal TV. Tap it. Obviously it's a lot easier if you have your remote control, but you can still do it this way. There. Tap it again. Okay. Hopefully this one now should be the PlayStation 4. There we go, HDMI 2, I just heard the PlayStation 4 beep and it should come alive. So, if your remote controller's broken, if you've lost it, if your puppy ate it, at least you can still get to your PlayStation 4, your Xbox, your PlayStation 5, your set-top box, whatever you want to get to, just by that little button down there. And then when you're finished and you want to turn your TV off, it's nice and straightforward. You can just hold it down and your TV will turn itself off. Or you can tap it, go through the menu and go to power off and do it that way. I hope this video's helped you out. Thanks for watching.